Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. So if you're riding your bike at night or in low light conditions, you know how important it is to be seen and also see where you're going. This set of LED lights from BLITZU has been exactly what I was looking for. The headlight is remarkably bright and totally adjustable. It has several settings so you can use the light you need. It also has a warning flashing light, so very easy for you to be seen by everyone else when you're riding your bike. The bell is easy to put on the handlebars and has a bright, loud sound, clear, and I appreciate it because especially when I'm riding in the morning and there's a lot of fog, I think it's important to have a bell so that you can warn people if you're overtaking them or if you just want to make sure they see you behind them. The rear light is also bright and easy to see and has several different settings so you can place that light where you need it to be and also have the light flashing or solid or whatever you prefer. The two lights are rechargeable. They come with cords. That makes them invaluable to me. I don't have to worry about batteries. I can always make sure that they are charged up so they are ready to go whenever I am. So if you're concerned about riding in low light or at night and you want to make sure you can see where you're going, you want to make sure you can be seen, then you're going to be really happy with this set from BLITZU. And that is my point of view.